Among students, now I am teaching 10th class logarithms. Among students, now I am teaching 10th class first chapter real numbers. Topic is logarithms. Okay, what is called logarithms? Logarithms means we can express one form from exponent form. Okay, exponent form means any number can be expressed as base and power. Here, if a, x and n are real numbers, then a power x is equal to n. Okay, exponent form means what? You can write as base and power. Power means what? The base is how many times multiple. Okay, so any number can be expressed as base and power. Okay, so that is called exponent form. Okay, ma. So here from this exponent form you can write in logarithm form. Okay, how you can write? If a power x is equal to n, then this exponent form can be expressed as like this: log n base a is equal to x. This is called logarithm. In this exponent form, the base is a. In the logarithm form, the base is a. Okay, what are changes? Number and power. Okay, a power x is equal to n. Then we can write as log n base a is equal to x. So for example, 2 power 5 is equal to 32. This is the exponent form. 2 power 5 means the 2 is multiple 5 times. We can get as how much ma? 32. So this exponent form you can write in logarithm form. That is log 32 base 2 is equal to 5. In this exponent form the base is 2. In this logarithm form the base is 2. Okay, na? So 2 power 5 is equal to 32. We can write as logarithm form log 32 base 2 is equal to 5. Okay, for example, square root x is equal to 5. Okay, how you can write? First we can write in the form of exponent form. Square root means what? The x power 1 by 2. That is x power 1 by 2 is equal to 5. We can write as logarithm form log 5 base x is equal to 1 by 2. Okay, so this is the logarithm form. Okay, this logarithm form are used in measure population, and also we can use in pH value in chemistry. pH value in chemistry we have pH is equal to minus log H plus base 10. H plus means what ma? Ions. Okay, power of hydrogens pH is equal to minus log H plus base 10. You can use in calculation of population and measure the pH. So here there is three conditions are there. The pH is equal to 7, less than 7, greater than 7. Neutrals, acids, bases. Okay. Also used in sounds. Sound. The logarithms are also used in sounds. Okay. So here logarithms are dividing into two types. There are common logarithms, natural logarithms. Common logarithm means the logarithms having a base is 10. The logarithms are called common logarithms. So here log 2 base 10, log 5 base 10, log 7 base 10. Okay, here the base is what ma? 10. These logarithms are called common logarithms. Okay, so the common logarithms are in the form of log a base 10. Okay, the expression. Okay, so next, these common logarithms are introduced by Briggs. Okay, this common logarithm another name is Briggs logarithms. Next, another type, natural logarithm. The common the logarithms and the base is e, exponential constant. The logarithms and the base is e. E is called what ma? Exponential constant. Okay, so the natural logarithms are in the form of log a base e. E is called what ma? Exponential constant. So e value is 2.718282 and so on. Okay, it is an irrational number. Okay, here the pi and e are called transcendental numbers. Pi is irrational number, e is also irrational number. These two numbers are called transcendental numbers. Okay, ma'am. The logarithms and the base is e. That logarithms are called natural logarithms. Okay, so these logarithms we can express like this also. This expression we can use in higher section, ma'am. That is inter or degree. Okay, so Ln. Okay, natural logarithms. Base e. Okay, Ln. Simply we can write as log a base e. Simply this expression we can write as Ln, natural logarithms. Its base is how much, ma? E. These logarithms are introduced by John Napier. Okay, no? So here next laws of logarithms, ma. Before we learn laws of logarithms, first know about laws of exponents, ma. Okay, so here laws of exponents what, ma? Here a power 0 is equal 1. A power 0 is equal 1. Okay, next a power m is equal a into and so on m times. Before we know laws of logarithms, know about laws of exponents, ma. Okay, a power 0 is equal 1, a power m is equal 8 and so on m times. A power m into a power n is equal a power m plus n. A power m by a power n is equal a power m minus n. Here there is conditions are there. M is greater than n. Next, m is less than n. The condition is 1 by a power m minus m. So next, a power m whole power n is equal a power m into n. ab whole power m is equal a power m into b power m. A by b whole power m is equal a power m by b power m. Next, a power minus m is equal 1 by a power m. Next, a by b whole power minus m is equal b by a whole power m. Next, a power m whole power m is equal a power m into n. These are the laws of exponents. From these laws of exponents, we can show that laws of logarithms. Okay, ma. So here, first laws of logarithm, ma. Laws of logarithms. First one, a power 0 is equal to 1. This is the first laws of exponent. From this first laws of exponent, we can write as logarithm form a power 0 is equal to 1. Okay, how we can write laws of logarithm? So log 1 base a. Here power is 0, base is anything, its value is 1. It is the laws of exponent. A power 0 is equal to 1. Power is 0, base is a. Okay, a is anything, power is 0, its value is 1. So this one we can write as logarithm form. Log 1 base a is equal to 0. Okay, log 1 base is anything, its value is 0. So for example, log 1 base 10, its value is 0. Log 100 base 27, its value is 0. Okay, log of any number, log 1 base 27 is equal to 0. Log 1 base is anything, its value is 0. Log 1 base 1000, its value is 0. Okay, so next another laws of second laws of logarithm. Second one, log x base a plus log y base a is equal log x into y base a. Log x base a plus log y base a is equal log x into y base a. Okay, this proof of logarithm you can use laws of exponents. How you can prove? Log x base a plus log y base a is equal log x into y base a. Okay, how we can prove? Means by using laws of exponent, by using a power m into a power m is equal a power m plus n. Okay, by using this exponent form, you can prove this laws of logarithm. Okay, let us take a power m is equal x. A power m is equal x. This exponent form we can write as logarithm form, that is log x base a is equal m. Next, a power n is equal to y. How you can write? Log y base a is equal m. Here what you take now? A power m is equal to x, a power n is equal to y. Okay, so that is these two values we can write as logarithm form, that is log x base a is equal to m, log y base a is equal to n. That means m value and n value. Okay, m value is what ma? Log x base a, n value is what ma? Log y base a. Here what is the laws of exponent we can use? A power m into a power n is equal a power m plus n. Here a power m is how much we take? X. A power n is how much we take ma? Y. So that is x into y is equal a power m plus n. Now it is a exponent form. Okay, this exponent form we can write in logarithm. We can apply the logarithm. That is log x into y base a is equal m plus n. Log x into y base a is equal m plus n. Here we can apply the logarithm. Apply logarithm. Then we can get it as log x into y base a is equal m plus n. M is what? Log x base a. N is the what? Log y base a. So log, that is log x into y base a is equal log x base a plus log y base a. In the place of m, you can take as log x base a. In the place of n, you take as log y base a. This is the first. This is the second laws of logarithm. For example, log 15 base 10. Log 15 base 10. So 15 how we can write? 3 5 jar. So 3 5 jar 15. So this here we can apply that. It is in the form of log x into y. So how we can write? Log x plus log y. That is log 3 base 10 plus log 5 base 10. Okay, ma? Next, another one, ma? Log x by y base a. Log x by y base a. In second one, log x into y base a into we can get as plus. Here divide. Log x by y base a is equal. Yeah, log x base a divide. Divide is nothing but subtraction. Multiplication is nothing but addition, nothing but multiplication. So log x base a minus log y base a. Okay, this logarithm how we can prove means by using the laws of exponent. That is by using a power m by a power n is equal a power m minus n. Log x by y base a is equal log x base a minus log y base a. How we can prove this logarithm? Means by using exponent form a power m by a power n is equal a power m minus n. Okay, so let us take a power m is equal x, a power n is equal to y. This exponent form apply the logarithm, that is log x base a is equal to m. Next, log y base a is equal to m. So here we can get as, when you apply the logarithm, we can get as m value and n value. M value is what? Log x base a. N value log by base a. Okay, so here what the exponent form? A power m by a power n is equal a power m minus n. Okay, so here how much you take the a power m? X. A power n how much you take? Y. So that is a power m by a power n is equal a power m minus n. So a power m how much you take, ma? X. Y, we don't know that a and m. Okay, next by y is equal a power m minus n. So apply logarithm about statement. So that is log x by y base a is equal m minus n. M value is how much? Log x base a. N value is how much? Log y base a. So log x by y base a is equal log x base a minus log y base a. This is the law of logarithm. Here log x by y base a is equal log x base a minus log y base a. Okay, so for example, log 2 by 3 base 10. Log 2 by 3 base 10. How we can write by, ma? So that is log 2 base 10 minus log 3 base 10. Okay, ma? Fourth one. Log x power n base a. Log x power n base a is equal n log x base a. Log x power n base a is equal n log x base a. Okay, this proof you can use the laws of exponent. A power m whole power n is equal a power m into n. Okay, so here by using a power m whole power n is equal a power m into n. M into n is nothing but n into m. Okay, 2 3 ja 3 2 ja. Okay, so here let us take a power m is equal x. Okay, now apply the logarithm form. That is what you can get, log x base a is equal m. So now a power m, how much you take? X. The x we can substitute here in the place of a power m. So that is x power n is equal a power m into n. Apply the logarithm here. Ma, how we can get the x? Here we take that a power m is equal to x. In the place of a power m, we take the x. Okay, x power n is equal a power m into n. Apply logarithm. What you can get? Log x power n base a. It is a number, it is the base, it is exponent form. Okay, so is equal m n. So m n you can write as nm. Okay, so log x power n base a you can write as m into n, nothing but n into m. So n m. So log x power n base a is equal n into log x base a. M value how much, ma? Log x base a. How we can get m? By taking a power m is equal x. This one we can apply the logarithm, that is log x base a is equal m. So in the place of m we can take as log x base a. So log x power n base a is equal n log x base a. For example, log root y base 5. Log root y base 5. Root 5 how we can write? Root means its exponent form, how much? Its order is how much? 2. Cube root means 3. So that is y power 1 by 2 base 5. So here we can use the formula log x power n base a is equal n log x base a, that is 1 by 2 log y base 5. So log root y base 5 is equal 1 by 2 log y base 5. Log a base b we can write as log a by log b. Log a base b we can write as log a by log b. Another one, log a base b we can write as 1 by log b base a. Okay, another one, log x power m base x power n is equal m by n. Log x power m base x power n is equal m by n. So another one, log a base a. Log of any number, its base is of the same number. Its value is 1. Its value is 1. Okay, ma'am. Next. Another one, log a base b into log b base c into log c base a. Its value is 1. Log a base b into log b base c into log c base a. Its value is 1. How we can write log a by log b into log b base c. How we can write log b by log c into log c base c. How we can write log c by log a. You know, log b, log b, log c, log c, log a cancel. You can get as how much more? 1. Okay, next another one. A power log n base a is equal n to the power of this power. We're gonna come to base n to the power of log a base a. Therefore, n to the power of log a base value is how much more? 1. That is equal n. These are the laws of logarithms. Okay,